Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and I hope that you're okay. And unfortunately, the shop is still closed for new customers and iPhone and Android repairs. And I'm sure that you're in your house right now doing things that you have to do to isolate and help slow down the spread of the virus. And today I'm gonna just share you a quick video and a recommendation if you want something to fun but productive things to do while you are in your homes. Then maybe this game or website can help you fill in those vacant times more productively. And this is our YouTube channel. You should definitely subscribe, and you can like our Facebook page, Sydney CBD Repair Center, same name with a YouTube channel. And this is ZType. I'm just gonna okay, so ZType is a typing game. So it's a game, but you can also improve your typing speed and accuracy in this game. So all you have to do is to type ZType, ZType.pe or ZType. It will just automatically redirect you to the website, and it's a free app inside the browser. You can also do this on your smartphone, but I recommend that you do this with a keyboard, so it would be useful for you in your office work in the future. So just you can turn off the sound and music. New game. It's fairly loud, and as you type, you hit the enemies in space. I'm sure you have seen some. You can also pause it right here. And I'm sure that you have seen this game before, and yeah, it's it's mostly the same, but this one is a free website, so you can do this on an iPad or with a keyboard or the desktop, Windows desktop. So I'm just gonna show you a little gameplay right here. So this is an offline game, mind you. You don't have to have you need an internet to connect to the website, but you don't have an online feature that you can play with your friends. So that's it. I hope you like this app, and you can definitely use this to improve your skills in typing. And by the time this quarantine ends, you will be ready. You will have a new skill to show off in the office. It's not really a special skill, but it will make you more efficient in your job. And if you're curious in how it looks like on the smartphone, I'm just gonna show you right now. So here we have the ZType mobile version. So I'm using Google Chrome. I've tried with other browsers, and some browsers do not allow keyboards connected to the smartphone to be used as an input device. So you can use the keyboard on the screen, but I recommend that you connect your keyboard through the USB Type-C. You can just get a USB Type-C to USB adapter. We have a video for that. Just check it out in our channel. And right here we can basically put it on the stand and play like we did on the desktop. So So it's very responsive. It's a fairly simple application and game, so it won't be that hard to run on any device. And the advantage of it is you can play it on any device that has a keyboard. An input device is a keyboard and a browser. So I think this is a highly recommended app, and I hope that this can be useful for you when you run out of ideas inside your house during the quarantine or the lockdown. And so subscribe and like our Facebook page. So till next time, guys, cheers.